Hey everybody, it's Cindy and Cindy Simple Meals, saving you some money at the grocery store. We're going to make our own peanut sauce that you can use as a salad dressing, or it makes a great dipping sauce for things like chicken skewers. So first of all, make your own peanut butter. It's going to save you money and you have no additives in it. Take a jar of roasted peanuts, dry roasted peanuts, put them into Smarty Marty, the deluxe cooking blender. 2 minutes, you have peanut butter. And then when the jar is almost empty, just that little bit, don't throw it away. Let's make the peanut sauce from it. So I have my jar here. I already went ahead and made some just by adding some olive oil, a little dash of sriracha for some heat. I have a little bit of honey, and I have some low sodium or Bragg's liquid aminos soy sauce. Also, of course, the garlic and some fresh limes. That's it. You put it into the jar, you give it a shake. You've got all that leftover peanut butter in there, and you've got a really simple peanut sauce or salad dressing. Serve it on a regular salad. Like I said, you can add some rice noodles to it. You can use it as the dipping sauce. Fresh spring rolls would be great. Money saving tips from Cindy Simple Meals. See ya!